6 ways of pomegranate. Red pomegranate for beginners to be fruitful fast. Papaya or Carica. Papaya, or beetles, are plants originating from the genus Carica from southern Mexico and northern parts of South America, but are now widespread and widely planted throughout the tropics for fruiting. Papaya scientific classification. Kingdom, Platy. Order, Brassicales. Family, Caricaceae. Genus, Carica. Species, see Papaya. There are various types of papaya, such as papaya papaya, papaya calea, pomegranate red papaya and so forth. Well, this time we will discuss about the way of pomegranate red papaya. Here's how to cultivate the pomegranate red delamamore. 1. Terms growing red pomegranate pepper. Pomegranate red papaya plants can grow well in lowland and upland areas to a height of 700 meters above sea level with rainfall of about 1500 to 2000 millimeters per year and temperatures of about 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. This plant will grow and maximize on soil rich in organic matter, has a good drainage system with a phase of about 6.5 to 7. This pomegranate should get full sunlight. With many receive sunlight, then the plants will more quickly flowering and fruiting and fruit quickly ripened and sweeter. 2. Preparation of pomegranate red delamamore seeds. Pomegranate seeds of red papaya can be obtained from seeds. The seeds are first added by soaking it for one night, then store in a sealed container with a coated tissue or wet cloth, then placed in a room with a temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius. Seed will germinate after 6 to 12 days later. Next, move the sprouts to the planting polybag that has been filled with planting media such as soil, manure and trichoderma. After the seeds are 30 to 40 days old or have 5 to 8 leaves, the seedlings can be transferred to the actual land. 3. Preparation of pomegranate red pepper planting field. The land to be used for cultivation is first cleared of weeds or other pests. After that, ground the ground by digagcull. Next, make a bed with a size of about 6 meters for the length, 1 to 1.5 meters for width and height of about 20 centimeters. Give the distance between beds about 50 centimeters. Then, make a planting hole with size of about 40 centimeters times 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters and give spacing about 2 times 2 meters. Then, fill the planting hole with a mixture of manure and dolomite, then let stand for 1 to 2 weeks. Then add the basic fertilizer TSP and also the insecticide. 4. How to plant the red pomegranate. After all is ready, then do the planting. Move the seeds from polybag to the planting hole in the liver until the heart. Try not to damage the planting medium. Put the seeds in the planting hole and then back with the topsoil. In one planting hole can be planted with 2 papaya seeds. 5. How to take care of pink pomegranate plants. Do mulching on the papaya plant. The mulch can be straw. The mulching aims to maintain soil moisture and also suppress weed growth. Perform fertilization by using NPK fertilizer or single mixed fertilizer. Fertilization is done by putty around the plant. After that, do the watering. In addition to being placed directly to the ground, fertilizer can be diluted first in new water splashed. Fertilization and addition of dolomite can be done every 3 to 4 months. If the plants have started flowering, then do the settlement on the flowers. Choose the perfect flower with the characteristics of having pollen and pistil. Also do the selection on the fruit when the age of 2 weeks Cetala flowers bloom. Discard the fruit that is physically disabled. 6. Harvest period of red pomegranate. Harvesting of pomegranate red papaya can be done after 8-month-old plants after planting. harvesting is done when the fruit is still mid-cal with yellow 5 to 10% for the local market and 5% for the market far. This pomegranate red harvest can be done once a week. So we are discussing about 6 ways of cultivation of pomegranate red pomegranate for beginners to be fruitful fast. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.